because it's a rotational. And today I'm very happy to welcome Vinisha, who got recommended in the Air Force SSB. Give him a big I would not like to talk much about Vinisha, but if he doesn't cover, then I'll cover later. As to what he came, what difference he made into it, and what has he become. And probably in the first half of 2023, he will be going to Germany for his masters. And I'm very sure that God has a design for somebody to send you to one place, and I'm sure that there also this will come into play. So without going into details, I would hand over to Vinisha, who picked up everything and he started teaching so well that when he went for his SSB, everything, he exactly knew what the interviewer is asking and what the DTO is wanting to know, or what. And it's not that his story was the best, or that he knew how to speak. He told and he worked hard and he changed himself at 21, 22, which everybody can change, provided you have that flexibility to change. So over to Vinisha to narrate whatever he wants to say, because he's got a lot to say. Over to Vinisha.
Good morning everyone. So I would first like to tell you all how I joined Gurudevas. Okay. So in the month of December, I just came. I came that I want to join as a student, but at that moment of time, they were all full. They were around 100 students, and they were not taking more students. So I had one of my friend Anay who was working here. So I talked with him, and he told me that भाई देख अगर as a student नहीं हो रहा है तो as a mentor try कर. So I just went like this, and I said, Sinha sir, I was like sitting there downstairs for 2-3 days. I was observing everything, कि क्या चल रहा है, कैसे होता है, Anay, how is Anay teaching, and Anay was my batch leader. So I was like looking like that, and I just went to sir and I told him, sir, I want to join, I want to help you in some or other things which I can help. So okay, so what can you do, sir? Told me, and Sinha sir and John sir, they took my interview, basic interview. I told them that so and so is my SSB sir, and I have 6 months with me, and I could provide you with whatever I have. So okay, so the next day Sinha sir told me that okay, join us from tomorrow. So I did the same and I came in. And like this, my SSB preparation started. I had never went to an SSB and I was teaching students how to prepare for SSB. So this was the thing which how I joined Gurudevas. Okay, then I learned progressively. I learned many things over here. Okay, one question I want to ask you all is, how many of you are having a strong backup plan? After SSB, you know, if you don't making it into defense, you are having a strong backup plan. How many of you are there? Quite a few, because this is very important. Okay, SSB is so unpredictable. Anything can happen. I'll tell you my story. What happened with me. Right. So this I had given many exams. So I had learned this from my seniors that don't be completely relied upon SSB. Don't be completely relied upon SSB because it is very unpredictable and anything can happen there. So I was very sure that I have to make a very strong backup plan with me. So I had given this exams of GRE and I have given this exams of IELTS so that my backup plan is strong. I had got good scores in IELTS also and in GRE as well. So I had prepared these things, and I have also written I have shortlisted my universities which all I have to go for my masters. So everything was done. So the day before I was leaving for my SSB, that was on 15th of September. Right, this 15th of September, I had the interview. They have shortlisted my profile for the master's program. They have done this everything. And on 15th, I had my interview. So I gave that interview. It was from SRH Berlin. So they took my interview, and on the same day, I got selected in that SRH. So this time now, I felt more confident about this SSB which I will be facing now. Because I have this intake and this thing is fixed. So I had got this. So now the 16th was my flight. 16th early morning was my flight from Pune to Bangalore, and my SSB was in Mysore. So I took the flight. I went there. Like, I stayed with Himani. Like, Himani also accompanied with me, and we stayed there for like around 3 days in Bangalore. We were doing horse riding and all. And 19th was my SSB. Right. So 19th, like around 180 students they reported. 187 something students reported on day one. And I tell you my PPDT stories were like I am a person, I cannot memorize things. Right? That is the thing with me. I cannot memorize. If I memorize things and I'll fumble in between. I can understand the things, I cannot memorize them. That is the thing with me. So I just prepared 2 stories. Like, it was like I did not tell to everyone that this is the thing which I am doing, but I'll tell you right now what I was doing. If the picture, I just my thing in mind, if the picture is something indoor happening, I'll make a story on placement, right? Whatever the picture is. But the picture I will narrate it confidently. If the picture is something outside the building, I'll say that this is a cleanliness drive which is going on. These 2 stories I have prepared by heart. Okay, these 2 stories which I have prepared by heart. So there, when I went there, I am taking the OIR things over here. So OIR was very easy for me. Like I have been taking OIR classes for a very long time there. So OIR was very easy for me. So, but OIR, I'll tell you about OIR. The thing is, the timing is very important. I'll tell you, for the first test, they give exact 17 minutes. Exact 17 minutes in which you have to solve the questions. And the वो C वाला पार्ट पता है, कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं आया तो C मार्क कर दो. कौन था उस क्लास में? ना C वाला पार्ट बहुत काम में आएगा उस टाइम पे, ठीक है? क्योंकि जब टाइम खत्म हो जाए ना, वो असेसर एकदम बोल देता है स्टॉप राइटिंग. और आप देखोगे आपके क्वेश्चन ना, यहाँ पर मेरे तो 16 क्वेश्चन खत्म हुए, आगे के 4 क्वेश्चन मेरे छूट गए. कुछ नहीं करो, उसमें 1 मार्क कर, या फिर 3 मार्क करके आ जाओ. Because OIR is not having any negative marking. And if you leave the question blank, you will be not allotted with any marks. But if out of those 4 questions which you mark the same or in the same like 3 उसमें एक possibility है एक सही हो जाए, उससे आपका एक OIR का स्कोर बढ़ सकता है. That is a very high possibility. तो मैंने ऐसे ही OIR के जितने सॉल्व हुए मैंने कर दिए, और जैसे ही उसने खत्म बोला स्टॉप राइटिंग, मैंने सब में 3 करके आ गया. और this happened with the 2 टेस्ट होते हैं OIR के. The second test also I did the same thing. So by this OIR was set. Then the next test was about this PPDT. And I'll tell you the environment there at SSB, the psychology room is the same environment which we are having over here. It is exact the same. Only on this windows na they had put this Air Force ka flag, Air Force ka badge, and it is exactly, even the ceilings are the same. It is the exact thing. Same white wall, projector is there. It is the same environment which is there. Alright, so when you go inside the psychology room, when you are writing, you will feel very comfortable over here because you have prepared it. You will feel very comfortable there, sitting there. और मेरे केस में तो एक जो the psychologist who was there, she was very called Burkha. So I was again very comfortable because she was looking like Lamia ma'am. So I was like very comfortable. Like ये तो Lamia ma'am जैसी दिखी, सही है. And like this, the picture was shown to us, and I made again the indoor वाली picture है, मैंने placement drive की story लिख दी उसमें, placement drive करी और मेरे को ज़्यादा memorize करने की ज़रूरत नहीं क्योंकि सारी इधर जितनी भी narrate करता हूँ मैं placement drive ही narrate करता था stories. तो उधर भी गया, same 4 बंदे थे और वो कुछ table पे discuss कर रहे थे. I made the story on placement drive, and then they had sent us outside, and they had separated us in a group of around 10 were there in my group. So I was chest number 07. Okay, so I went there, I sat in the room, and then they started that 3 assessors were sitting in front and we were sitting in a semicircle. So they told us, they briefed us about everything. As soon as the last person ends, you will start your group discussion and come to a common theme. So we started. Test number 1 has started a story. He has made a story about smart city, building a smart city project. Like this, one started, second, third, fourth, fifth. Next was mine. I narrated my story very confidently. I did not I was not fumbling. I was very confident about my story, whatever I was saying. So I narrated it. Everyone listened to me very nicely and they were very supportive. Okay? Then one thing I'll tell you, during entire process of your SSB, it is very important like how you bond to your group members. That is very important thing. If you are contradicting every time, कि नहीं यार ये गलत है, ये गलत है, it is of no use. It is of no use. You have to build a strong bond with the person who are there in your group. Right? So as soon as the 10th person stopped, I was fresher. Like, it was my first attempt I was going for. And I thought that कि ये लोग ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे हल्ला. But when as soon as the last person stopped his thing, everyone started shouting. Repeaters में तो नहीं आ रहा हूँ. But I was comfortable with this environment because here the environment is as such. Like when we practice over here, everyone shouts. So I was comfortable with that environment also. So I calmed the group down. I told them their friends let us speak one by one, and these small things they matter a lot in SLB. The small things that you say here, they automatically comes in your mind and you say, and the group keeps quiet listening to you. Right? So I told them the friends would speak one by one, and I started this thing. I started friends. We all have made wonderful stories, and I think the story made by just number so and so was the best because it dealt with smart city and this like this. I took the initiative. I started the discussion. Alright. Then the people there they contradicted me कि नहीं ये smart city में क्या है उसका negative mood है ये वो मैं शांत रहा उस time I did not counter him back. I was like completely quiet. Then I saw that the person whom I supported he was keeping quiet. He was test number 01. He had made a very good story, but he was keeping quiet and he was trying to speak, but no one was letting him speak. So I told him, I kept I made the group calm. Friends, this person is trying to speak for a long time. Let us give him a chance. Let us hear out from him. Then by this I made the group calm and the person started. He supported his story. उसने सपोर्ट कर दिया उसके बाद वापस डिस्कशन स्टार्ट हुआ कुछ कॉमन कंक्लूजन पे आया नहीं हमारा तीन कॉमन बिकॉज एवरीवन वाज कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग द अदर पर्सन द ग्रुप वाज गोइंग लाइक दैट so I like again the GTO came GTO stood up and he told that has your group come to any common theme everyone was saying this I said yes sir we have come to a conclusion that we will make a story on smart city and like this okay so we all agree then there was no one who disagreed with me at that time because the thing which you say with the confidence which you say people hear it. That confidence is very important if you say like this nahi hoga you have to speak up you have to take a stand for you and for your group as well right like this and after I said this the discussion was over and they sent us out so after this the person I supported chest number 1 he got in I got in and one more person from our group he got in 3 people they got in and rest of them were sent back home right then after getting screened in this happened and the next was our psychology test so again they switched the chest numbers and again I got chest number 07 and 07 was lucky for me so I was very feeling good about it like sir, about the chest number I was feeling good so and this chest number 01 he got chest number 04 and I made a very good bond with him that person he was from Tamil Nadu and he was not knowing Hindi he was not knowing Hindi so I was supporting him in every task like वहाँ पे जो assessor जो भी instructions देता है वो कभी-कभी हिंदी में दे देता है तो he was not knowing Hindi so I was like switching him I was translating for him yes do this and I was helping him out in that all those things so we were in the same group then we were on the same group one test number 4 and like 8 people we were on the same group then the psychology test happened I tell you psychology is the part which you can prepare here that is the ultimate truth you can prepare your psychology here because the same things get repeated over there the same things they get repeated over there first test was SRT the start intact pictures again the same themes which I tell you the things which we discuss over here they just understand them just try to understand them कि यहाँ पर जो प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं ये जो पिक्चर आ रही है what the person sitting over here is trying to explain just understand the theme and just know the steps कि क्या क्या steps हो सकती है just keep this thing in mind if you are good at memorizing you can memorize the things also but I was not good at memorizing I was just understanding the things कि हाँ इसमें है तो इसमें ऐसा ऐसा बना सकते हैं इसमें है तो इसमें ये things आ सकते हैं so the psychology test it was very smooth for me like I was able to write all the 12 TAT stories again in the same format which we discussed earlier. I made the all psychology test then the SRT then this BAT came that way the timing is very important because a word आता है और चले जाता है it is so fast you have to be very fast in writing you have to practice it over there it will only come via practice right it is like 15 seconds stay there and that 15 seconds is very less you will feel that when you are writing the test right so that way I left only 3 words and rest of them I was able to complete all the words And again the SRT which Himani ma'am teaches, it is the best. वहाँ पे आप देखोगे situation, same reaction, same reaction. Snake वाला आएगा kill it, बात खत्म. Same सारी चीजें same रहती है उधर, ठीक है. ये हो गया. उसके बाद again that the psychologist who was like Lamia ma'am, she again came and she told about कि now you will be again SBT होगा, वहाँ पे आपको देखना है और सारी चीजें साइकोलॉजी की ना यहाँ पे आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. After the psychology test got ended, I was very confident about my psychology. जो मैं लिख के आया हूँ वो बहुत सही लिखा है, जो भी लिखा है सही लिखा है. I was confident, I was feeling confident, and this confidence ना it plays a very important role while progressing, while doing the other task in your SSB, the further task which we do. GTO थोड़ा सा एयरफोर्स का थोड़ा अलग होता है, but the concepts are the same. आपको हाफ ब्रिज, फुल ब्रिज और यही सब बनाना होता है, उससे अलग कुछ नहीं होगा. आपको बस थोड़ा सा अपनी थिंकिंग देखनी है उधर कि भाई इधर से ये हाफ ब्रिज बनाया तो हाफ ब्रिज से भी नहीं जा पा रहे तो एक और उसके आगे कुछ स्ट्रक्चर बना के लगाना. थोड़ा अलग है लेकिन द कंसेप्ट आर सेम कि आगे से ये और इधर से दबाना है और चीज़ों को ऐसे ही करता है. दिस वेंट स्मूथ. प्रोग्रेसिव ग्रुप टास्क में आई वाज लाइक लीडिंग द ग्रुप की भाई एवरीवन लाइक जीडीओ वाज लाइक कि एवरीवन वाज डिस्कसिंग सम ऑफ द अदर प्लान. एक टास्क पे आके हम लोग का ग्रुप अटक गया कि यहाँ पे अब कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ पे अब अटक गए लोग. वहाँ पे कुछ स्ट्रक्चर थे और उधर से सब अपने अपने ट्राई कर रहे थे आइडिया. आई वाज कीपिंग क्वाइट बिकॉज आई वाज आल्सो थिंकिंग कि क्या हो सकता है, नहीं हो रहा था मेरे से. वहाँ पे सब पूरा ग्रुप कर रहे हैं, अपना अपना टास्क डाल रहे हैं, मैं भी डाल रहा हूँ, मेरे से भी नहीं हो रहा है. फिर मेरे को एक आया दिमाग में, राहुल सर ने बोला कि एक मेरे को राहुल सर एकदम दिमाग में आ रहे थे कि ये हटाओ सब हटाओ ये रखो. मैंने बोला फ्रेंड्स आई हैव आइडिया, लिसन टू मी. एंड नो वन वाज लिसनिंग टू मी. And I just narrated my idea. I just said my idea कि ऐसा करेंगे, इधर से रोप बांधेंगे, इधर से इसको अटकाएंगे और इधर से आगे इस बल्ली से लेंगे, ये करेंगे हम लोग. तो इनको समझ में नहीं आया मेरा आइडिया. आई थॉट कि जीटीओ को समझ में आया एंड दे वर कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग, नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, ऐसे कैसे होगा, ऐसे कैसे होगा. जीटीओ टोल्ड एवरीवन दैट लिसन टू हिम व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू से, प्लीज लिसन टू हिम. मैं बोला अब आई गॉट द कॉन्फिडेंस कि ही हैज अंडरस्टूड माय प्लान. I told him that keep everything aside. Keep everything aside, just give me the rope. I tied the rope. I chest number 04. Please help me out. Tie this rope. We made a loop over there. They said, now give me the fatta. I put in the fatta like this. Now वो थोड़ा हाइट पे था ऊपर. मैंने फट्टा लगाया था और थोड़ा आगे तक चले गया वो. ठीक है. अब मैंने बोला कि अब ये मेरा स्ट्रक्चर एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग है, मैं आगे जाऊँगा. I climbed the structure and I went to the end part of it. तो उधर से वो मेरा सपोर्ट रोप जो बांधी थी वो रोक रही थी, उधर से मेरे को नीचे से सपोर्ट मिल गया. तो मैं एकदम आगे टॉप पे जाके खड़ा हो गया था उधर. सब देख रहे क्या कर रहा है ये. मैं बोला नाउ पास मी द बल्ली. तो एवरीवन पास मी द बल्ली and I put the बल्ली there and I made a like a structure like this. मैं बोला now everyone can pass. वो वर्केबल आइडिया हो गया मेरा. और वहाँ पे देख ले वीडियो है. नाउ द जीटीओ देयर ही वाज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड कि कितने लोग मतलब कैसे जा रहे थे. ही वाज जस्ट इंटरेस्टेड इन द आइडियाज कि आइडिया क्या दे रहे हो तुम लोग. तो उसने बोला अच्छा ठीक है इस आइडिया से कितने बंदे ले जा सकते हो. ओके रिमूव एवरीथिंग एंड हाउ 7% गो देयर एंड 1% इन स्टेइंग टेक्स्ट. फिर मैंने बोला आप इधर से उसको कैसे लाके आओ. सेम थिंग, द सेम थिंग व्हिच वी डू ओवर हियर, द सेम थिंग इज देयर. मैं बोला इधर से आप इधर हाफ ब्रिज बनाएंगे और ऐसे करके ले आएंगे. ऐसे करके हम लोग का प्रोग्रेसिव ग्रुप टास्क हो गया. फिर अगेन द सेम थिंग, हाफ ग्रुप टास्क हुआ. उसके बाद एक दो और टास्क हुए, वहाँ पर वो खत्म हो गया. डे 1 जीटीओ खत्म. नाउ डे 3 वाज अगेन माय जीटीओ डे 2 एंड माय इंटरव्यू वाज आल्सो देयर. उसमें क्या हुआ, उसमें हम लोग बैठे हैं, मतलब स्टार्ट हुआ 7 o'clock डे द फर्स्ट टास्क. कमांड टास्क में स्ट्रक्चर्स थोड़े अलग थे उधर, बट द कंसेप्ट रिमेन अगेन द सेम. मैंने वो सब बना दिए उधर स्ट्रक्चर और एवरीवन वाज कॉलिंग मी. आई वाज जस्ट नंबर 7. एवरीवन वाज कॉलिंग मी टू सपोर्ट. So I was going there supporting and I was thinking of my idea कि मैं क्या करने वाला स्ट्रक्चर को. ये सब हो रहा है, मैं देख रहा हूँ. मैंने बोला मेरे आइडियाज मैंने प्लान करके रखे हैं, मेरे क्या क्या होने वाला. जैसे ही सपोर्ट में बुलाया को, फिर मेरा जब चांस आया तो मेरे को वो स्ट्रक्चर ही हटा दिया उसने मेरे को दूसरे स्ट्रक्चर को ले लिया. जस्ट नंबर 7 प्लीज कम ओवर है. सर मैंने सोचा तो वो हटा दिया और उसने मेरे को दूसरे स्ट्रक्चर में लेके चलेगा. फिर वहाँ पर उसने मेरे को जीटीओ टुक अ स्मॉल इंटरव्यू ऑफ मी कि विनीश यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम Pune. यस सर. सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग राइट नाउ. सर आई एम प्लेस्ड विद HSBC एंड I'll be joining in the month of October and everything. So why do you want to join the force and everything. He took a short interview of me there. So I gave the answers there and then he said okay ready to be the commander. Yes sir. Alright, call your subordinates if you want. I called him just number 4 and this they came and the structure was different, completely different. And the commander, I have got the ideas कि मेरे को इसमें भी क्या करना है, got everything कि मेरे को इधर से इधर बनाना है, इधर से इधर करना है, ये सब I have got everything. मैं कर रहा हूँ. He was continuously कि अभी ये yellow हो गया तेरा, अभी ये yellow है, this 1/4 part is yellow now what will you do? And everything he was telling me everything like this. Then there was this point कि उसने मेरा ये वाला structure बना, पूरा उसने वो कर दिया, red कर दिया. Everything is red, only this small portion is remaining. मैंने बोला okay. Just my dad is going to please wait. So at that time उसने मेरा पूरा रेड करके इतना सा पार्ट करा. मैंने उससे भी एक स्ट्रक्चर बना दिया कि यहाँ से मैं फट्टा डालूंगा, पीछे से उसको रोप से बांधूंगा और ऐसे चल के चले जाएगा. GTO was impressed with me at that time. मैं बोला ठीक है. अब बोलता है कि अच्छा, and he was not letting me execute any ideas. He was just listening to my ideas and he was okay ठीक है. अब ये येलो हो गया, अब ये येलो हो गया, अब ये रेड हो गया. He was not letting me execute any idea because of lack of time. ये करके बोलते कितने बंदे ले जा सकते हैं? मैंने बोला सर 2 जा सकते हैं, 1 बंदा रहेगा. मैं बोला ओके 2 बंदा, you have 7 seconds. Come this side with all the materials. उधर से आप इधर से कैसे लेके आएगा? I have told the ideas. वैसे वो एकदम प्रेशराइज कर रहा था कि आप ये यहाँ पे मैंने बना दिया, अब ये when the person was coming your rope broke, now what will you do? ऐसे करके मैं ऐसे लास्ट बंदे तक मैं लेके आ गया. ओके फाइन फिनिश, गुड वेल डन, एंड ही सेंड मी बैक. उसके बाद the next task was individual obstacle. Now what happened in individual obstacle? There were 10 obstacles पूरा. उसने हमको पहले तो सर्कल में बोला कि एक राउंड मार के आओ, देख लो कैसे करना है. the same obstacles, थोड़े एक दो डिफरेंट है लेकिन the same obstacles are राइट. तो अब वहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट था कि आप स्टार्ट कैसे करते हो, स्टार्ट कौन से ऑब्स्टिकल से स्टार्ट करो, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैंने देखा, आई थॉट कि ये जो रोप क्लाइंबिंग है इट वाज फॉर 10 पॉइंट्स, आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर, उसके बाद मैं जाके सारे करूँगा. ये मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया. एंड वी आर नॉट सपोज टू लुक हाउ द अदर पर्सन इज डूइंग हिज टास्क, वी आर नॉट सपोज टू लुक अपॉन हिज आइडियाज और हिज टेक्निक्स. ओके, एंड द टेक्निक्स व्हिच Lama Ma'am and Rahul sir teach you here, it is very important. ओके, वो जो बर्मा ब्रिज पे बोलते स्लाइड करके जाओ, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है वो, क्योंकि बंदे वहाँ पर टाइम, it is about the time. 3 मिनट रहते हैं आपके पास, 3 मिनट में आपको सारे ऑब्स्टिकल कंप्लीट करना है. इट इज अबाउट द टाइमिंग, राइट. तो दीज टेक्निक्स, स्मॉल टेक्निक्स, इट मैटर्स अ लॉट. ओके, ये सब हो गया. अब वहाँ पर जाते हैं हम लोग. मैंने स्टार्ट करा, आई लुक्ड एट चेस्ट नंबर 4. ठीक है, चेस्ट नंबर 4 को मेरे आई हैव बॉन्डेड विद हिम वेरी गुड. एंड चेस्ट नंबर 4 ही स्टार्टेड विद रोप क्लाइंबिंग. ही वाज नॉट एबल टू टच द टॉप पोर्शन. तो वो वहाँ पे हाफ 3/4 पहुंचा और वो 3/4 से स्लाइड डाउन करके नीचे गिर गया. उसके हाथ में इंजर हो गई यहाँ पे गया. लेकिन ही डिड नॉट स्टॉप देयर, ही वेंट टू द टाइगर लीग. ऊपर खड़ा हो गया वो बंदा, जाके ऊपर से उसने जंप कर दिया और जंप करके ना एकदम रोप से घिस के पूरा नीचे आ गया. उसका पूरा हाथ गया, पूरा हाथ इधर से इधर तक पूरा घिस गया था पूरा हाथ उसका. ये हो गया सब. लेकिन ही वाज सो डेडिकेटेड पर्सन, ही डिड all the obstacles. No, he was not able to do all, but he was able to completely do 7 obstacles. 7 obstacles उसने देख लिया. और मैंने उसको देखा, उसका पार्ट कि ये इंजर हो रहा है बंदा, इधर चढ़ रहा है, इधर भी गिर रहा है. अब वो बोलते हैं ना कि दूसरों की गलती से सीखना, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि वो क्या गलती कर रहा है और वहाँ पे आप कहाँ अपने आप को बचा सकते हो. आई थॉट कि मैं अगर इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल नहीं भी कर पाया लेकिन मैं इंजर नहीं होऊंगा अपने आप. दैट आई थॉट इन माय माइंड. आई वेंट देयर, आई स्टार्टेड रोप क्लाइंबिंग. मेरे को रोप क्लाइंब अच्छे से हो गया, मैंने टच करा, नीचे आया. टाइगर लीग पे गया. मैं टाइगर लीग पे जैसे ही जंप करा, जीते ने बोला तो नीचे मत देखना, नीचे देखोगे तो पूरे नीचे चले जाओगे, ऊपर देख के जंप करना. तो मैं बोला ऊपर देखा, मैंने नीचे देखी, मैं ऊपर करके जंप कर दिया. मैंने बहुत रोप को पकड़ लिया. मैंने बोला रोप जब तक पकड़ में नहीं आएगी मैं नीचे नहीं उतरूंगा. मैंने रोप को ऊपर ही पकड़ के रखा थोड़ी देर तक. उसके बाद व्हेन आई फेल्ट कंफर्टेबल आई स्टार्टेड क्लाइंबिंग डाउन. ये हुआ. देयर आर सर्टेन ऑब्स्टिकल्स, आई कंप्लीटेड ऑल द ऑब्स्टिकल्स. सारे ऑब्स्टिकल्स 10 के 10 ऑब्स्टिकल्स हो गए मेरे कंप्लीट. एंड GTO लुक्ड एट मी एंड ही सेड विनीश यू हैव 15 मोर सेकंड्स, डू यू वांट टू रिपीट एनी ऑब्स्टिकल्स. मैं बोला इतना हो गया मेरा. मैं बोला ठीक है, ओके फाइन. देन ही सेंड मी बैक एंड द पीपल दे वर सिटिंग देयर, दे वर वेटिंग फॉर मी.
आप ये नहीं करना.
Yeah, you can do additional obstacle. You must.
Just because he got recommended. उसने थोड़ा बहुत 7-8 चीज देख चुका था GTO. लेकिन जीवन में भी और वैसे वहाँ तो जरूर keep doing till the whistle goes. Whether your hand is injured, whether your nose is bleeding, that is where we are going to see the determination. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
And this thing, I'll tell you what happened with chest number 4. He was completely injured. He was able to do only 7 obstacles. Okay. Now he's injured. He has done, and I went there. I said I did all the 10 obstacles and all, and वो सब impress हो गया 10 कर दिया और ऐसा ऐसा बोला हाँ कर लिया. फिर ये सब होने के बाद the same day was my interview also. Went running there, changed my clothes, इधर पूरा फॉर्मल्स डाला और मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए भाग के वापस आया इधर. भाग के आ रहा था, बच्चे इधर से चड्डियों में शॉर्ट्स में जा रहे थे. मैं फॉर्मल में मैं ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू. आई टेल यू व्हाट हैपेंड इन इंटरव्यू. इंटरव्यू में गया मैं, अंदर बैठा. आई ओके विनीश कम इनसाइड. I went there inside and I sat. And he started the question. Vinish, it is a very unique name. And tell me, what does it mean? And when he, at that point, I was knowing कि कैसा इंटरव्यू जाने वाला है पूरा आगे, क्या पूछने वाला है, क्या नहीं पूछने वाला है. I was knowing everything. मतलब उसने पहले क्वेश्चन से I was very sure कि आगे मेरे साथ क्या होगा है. So I told him कि ये सारी चीज़ें मेरे पास, and I'll tell you, whatever the interview which we are providing over here, okay, it is very important, and please take it very seriously and make a very good note of it, because the things which you write in your notebook and the way you write in your notebook, it matters a lot. It gives you clearance in your mind. The way you write in your notebook, आप कुछ भी लिख दोगे ना, लिखने के लिए लिख दिया, वो फिर दिमाग में भी वैसे ही रहेगा, वो कुछ भी रहेगा वो दिमाग में. Right? It is very important how you write in your notebook, or how I have printed everything. I was sitting with sir and I had printed everything about my interview, or all the FMRBs, everything I had printed. So it is very important, because the clear you will be in your notebook, the clear you will be in your mind. This that okay. So interview started, and first question he asked me, और second question आया कि how did you reach here? So वो मैंने बता दिया कि ऐसा ऐसा आया हम. Then he started with the same part, which AFTA. AFTA के साथ उसने एक additional question add किया मेरे बारे में. He tell me about your education, you're from 10th onwards, and so and so, so and so, so and so, and also AFTA पूरा, and also tell me how much pocket money do you get and how do you spend. Was very sure about it कि मेरे को ये पूरा पता है करके. Alright, so I started. Alright, sir, I will start with my education, and I went like this. ऐसा करके मैं चले गया पूरा. जैसे मेरा वो खत्म हुआ, फर्स्ट पार्ट खत्म हुआ, उसने मेरे को फ्रेंड्स के पार्ट में रोका. उसने बोला ओके सिद्धार्थ इज योर फ्रेंड, सो टेल मी वन गुड थिंग व्हिच ही हैज यू डू नॉट हैव एंड यू हैव ही डज नॉट हैव. ऐसे करके. एंड दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड आई टेल यू द सिचुएशन इन योर लाइफ which you felt bad or which you it was difficult for you, write them down. It is very important. These things they ask, purposely they ask. और अगर आपके पास situations ready नहीं है ना वहाँ पर, तो आप कुछ नहीं बोल पाओगे. You have to think about your past. You have to collect some situations कि ये situation में मेरे को difficulty हुई थी और how did I overcome it. This was very hard for me and how did I overcome it. This small things ना ये बहुत important है. Because he will keep on asking you about your friends. उसमें क्या नहीं है, तुझमें क्या है, तुझमें क्या है, उसमें नहीं है. He's about your father, about your mother. I tell you, interview में ज़्यादा rocket science कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी rocket science नहीं. Simple, you and your family and your people who are surrounding you. It's about that. The interview revolves around that. You should know yourself. You should know the person who you are surrounded with. Just it. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं पूछता है. एक मेरे से उसने पूछा था कि and it is very important to be very like you should smile during the interview. बहुत serious हो जाओगे ना तो वो भी फिर serious question start कर देगा. मैं completely मैं पूरे interview में ना हंसते रहते सर ये ऐसा हुआ सर, फिर ये हो गया सर. मैं I told him सर मेरा breakup हो गया था सर, ये हो गया था. अच्छा he started consoling me. ठीक है यार होता है, सबका होता है. दूसरी बात है हंसते खेलते चल रहा है भाई interview.
Conversation.
Yeah, it was very conversational. And इसके बाद ये सब हो गया. उसके बाद he just asked me कि थोड़े से geography के related question नहीं, थोड़ा सा पूछा कि I have mentioned कि in my activities at home I read newspaper. I read newspaper in the morning. So tell me what currently you have read. So I told him कि I have read about exercise pitch black and so फिर 17 countries participated and so. 2-3 न्यूज़ थोड़ी प्रिपेयर करके जाना, ठीक है, बस उतना पूछता है. मैंने वो बता दिया. Okay, Vinish, tell me which all countries are fighting with each other. Just tell me who is against whom. बोला अच्छा. Okay sir, मैं बोला sir China is fighting with everyone sir. And then I told कि sir then Russia is fighting with NATO countries and sir China is fighting with Taiwan sir. Okay, Taiwan में क्या हुआ sir, वो Nancy Pelosi came there and you know and China was not happy with that so they started fighting sir. ऐसे करके ऐसे you are getting the part कि बहुत smoothly चल रहा है, मतलब I was not taking it very seriously. ऊपर से बता रहा हूँ. और राइट सर इंडिया इज फाइटिंग विद पाकिस्तान सर इतना करके ओके देन ही आस्क्ड कि विनीश अबाउट योर वीकनेस व्हाट आर योर वीकनेस सो आई टोल्ड हिम आई प्रिपेयर द वीकनेस दो वीकनेस बताई ओके विनीश इट इज गुड टू हैव वी गुड टू लर्न अबाउट योर वीकनेस बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ यू इम्प्रूव मैं बोला यस सर राइट विनीश डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर मी सेम थिंग the same thing which we do over here during the interview so the same thing gets repeated right वहाँ पे उतना करके इंटरव्यू got ended ये खत्म हो गया इंटरव्यू now the next part came day 4 was blank for me पूरा blank था उसमें again I made friendship and I tell you this small things now which I'm telling you about the friendship उस बंदे का हाथ पूरा injured था पूरा हाथ injured था he was not able to wash his mouth or something he was not able to bath पूरा injured था I was helping him in small things, like I was putting the paste on his brush. This small things. I was helping him tying the buttons of his for his interview. This small things, okay? This small things. This test number 4 कॉन्फ्रेंस में जब हम लोग बैठे थे टेस्ट नंबर 4 के बारे में 5 मिनट डिस्कशन चला था रेस्ट मतलब जो कॉन्फ्रेंस होता है 1 से स्टार्ट होता है पूरा और लास्ट तक रहता है तो 1 वेंट 10 सेकंड में कॉन्फ्रेंस उसका खत्म हो गया 10 सेकंड खत्म कॉन्फ्रेंस बाहर आ गया सेकंड गया 10 सेकंड बाहर आ गया थर्ड गया बाहर आ गया थर्ड के बाद देयर वाज अ पॉज वो स्क्रीन थर्ड पे रुकी थी देयर वाज अ पॉज फॉर अराउंड 5 मिनट्स और 5 मिनट बाद चेस्ट नंबर 4 को बुलाया अंदर गया वो उसकी कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई 15 सेकंड में वो भी बाहर आ गया 6 गया 7 गया आई वाज चेस्ट नंबर 6 गया 5 गया 6 गया 6 के बाद वापस देयर वाज अ पॉज आई वाज चेस्ट नंबर 7 मैं 5 मिनट रुका नहीं हो रहा 6 मिनट 7 मिनट हुई जस्ट लुकिंग एट द बॉक्स कब तक क्यों नहीं बुला रहे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं 5-6 तो उसने मेरे को 17th मिनट में मेरे को बुलाया 17 मिनट पे वो बेल रिंग हुई और आई वेंट इनसाइड कॉन्फ्रेंस में ही जस्ट टोल्ड मी एवरीवन वाज सिटिंग देयर एंड ही हैड बिलीव्ड कि जिसके पास वो फ्लैग रहता है उधर आप अपना उसको देख के बात करनी है आपको तो मैं गया अंदर बैठा ऑलरेडी फिनिश सो यू आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग विद एसएसबीसी मैंने बोला नो सर आई हैव बीन प्लेस्ड एंड आई एम नॉट वर्किंग yet I will be joining in the month of October. Okay, so how much are they paying you? I've told them so and so amount they are paying me. So Vinish, tell me, do you know how much Indian Air Force will pay you? Well, yes sir, around 60 to 70,000 sir. Then are you happy with that? Well, yes sir. I was in my mind ये तो 3 idiot वाला scene चल रहा है salary कितनी दोगे? It's all about in your mind कि तुम दिमाग में कितना प्रेशर ले रहे हो, कितना कैसे सोच रहे हो, कितनी सिचुएशन को calmly ले रहे हो. ऐसे thinking ये तो बहुत सही चल रहा है. Then he asked me कि how differently you prepared for SSB, and I told him कि sir कुछ नहीं सर मेरी I had my friends who have been previously recommended and I took guidance from them. ऐसे ऐसे करके मैंने उनको बता दिया कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है. Okay, Vinish, how was the stay? It was good sir. So like this, it all ended. Okay, Vinish, you can leave. ऐसे करके now we were waiting in the conference room. The first the officer he came there and he just believed us. You are getting recommended. It does not you who are getting out. It does not mean कि ऐसा ऐसा होता है. Everyone is made for something and something. He believed us like this. And the second officer he came there and he told us the chest number को लोग हो गए. So he called out the first chest number 4. Please come on the stage. I was the happiest person. भाई ये बंदा मेरा छोड़ भाई ये बंदा हुआ है ये बंदा हाथ तो बाकी हुआ है I was the happiest person to see him standing over there. Then he called me chest number 07. Please come on the stage. मैं गया फिर after me 4 more candidates they were called. So we 6 of us got recommended.